Welcome back to Chapter 5. In this video, we'll be talking about external sites and hot linking. Just as a review for external sites, you would have to use a protocol in the value of the href attribute so the browser knows to navigate to an external site. In this basic example, I have http://google.com, which tells the browser, hey, this is an external site. Don't look for anything on the local server called google.com. With this, we're going to add a different attribute called target. Now the good thing about target is that it actually has one value that you should know out of all the rest. Don't worry about all the rest because in 2018 they're kind of irrelevant. So the only value you should know is underscore blank. Yes, there's an underscore there. Why? I don't know exactly. That's just the way things are set up. But in this case, we have underscore blank as the value of the target attribute. And this is going to identify the target. Well, what is underscore blank? This means that we're going to be opening up the link in a new window or tab, depending on how the browser is set up. Most modern browsers operate in tabs. If you have an older browser, such as Internet Explorer 6, then the link will open up in a new window. But again, in today's modern society, most browsers operate in tabs. Regardless, the underscore blank does the exact same thing. It'll open up the link in a new window or tab. So, as an example, we have this link on the right says Google. Let's take our mouse, click on it, and now we have a brand new window that has Google in it. Nice and easy, straightforward, right? Again, target only has one value at this point. It is underscore blank. Do not forget the underscore. Lastly, we have hot linking. Now, for hot linking, the most common use is referencing an image on another server. You can link to pages all day long, but referencing images or files on another server is technically a bad practice unless you're on a content delivery network or a CDN. Let's take a look at this piece of code that is on your web server being requested by a client. For the majority of items that are requested from your web server, it just goes one direction. But as soon as you start hot linking images from other sites, that means that somebody else's server and their bandwidth and resources are being used to provide your client with the same material. The best idea for this is to actually take the same content and save it on your own server. Legally, of course. But with that, you're not using up somebody else's resources to serve what you want to serve on your site. Okay, that was a short video. In the next video, we'll be talking about lists and wrapping up Chapter 5. If you have any questions about this or anything talked about before, please shoot me an email or hit me up on Twitter. I'll get back to you the best way I know how.